We start with the 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal. We get the reversal, but we didn't have any trade for buy. Okay, no one see what's the next and how we can look for trade. First, we start with higher time frame. If we refer to daily chart, we have been looking for this correction. And still, we can expect this one for continuation. That means uh, technically we can put this one in relative to this for one more drop, but I don't think so we're going to get the drop. We can get the continuation. And now that means if we get any trade set up for buy, this is what we are looking for. We are more interested. That means this move can be similar to any of this. As we can see here, there was a correct, the way it was reversing was corrective. Suddenly we get the sharp move. And right now we're looking for this similar to, I mean, it can be similar to this. What I want to say is that technically, when we see this kind of the sharp move, we can expect, and with the reversal as a corrective move, we can expect to get one more drop. That means we can look for the flat. This is what we can look at this. But what I want to say is that we will be within this corrective zone or channel. That means we can expect the price reverse and retest 24 cents. That's why for me, if I get any trade set up based on lower time frame, I will be more interested to look for buy rather than the sell. Then how we can look for trade. If we move to 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade set up. All right. If anyone wants to look for sell, as we mentioned, the way is correcting. Mostly we can expect, technically we can expect to get one more drop. If we see any down move as a sharp move flag, we can look for sell. With the breakout of 0.195, we start to manage. But as I said, we will be more interested to look for buy. If we want to look for buy, also we have to get the correction here, similar to what I drew at least. Or if we get the sharp move, we get look for the next flag, we take the trade. Right now, we don't have any trade set up either for buy or sell. That means we cannot trade it. We have to wait and see what we will get here. As I mentioned, if we get a correction similar to what I draw here for buy, we will take the trade for buy. If we see any sharp move with the flag, this is where we are not going to look for buy. If anyone wants to look for sell, that means you should wait for the sharp move flag, then they can look for sell. For sure, if we get a sell in terms of the risk and reward, it can give us better trade setup. But for the sell will be short term. For we are looking for long term, which is buy. But as I say again, we can look for this as a flat. Technically, any sharp move flag, we will take the trade. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up. That means right now we cannot look for buy or sell. The best thing is we wait here. Then if we get any trade set up, then we take the trade. I mean, and I will give an update. By the way, if we get a sharp move, then we wait for the next flag. We can look for buy. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up. We just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.